Every great journey starts with a plan, and today, we're building the dream of the king of pirates. The Thousand Sunny isn't just a ship, it's a masterpiece of atom wood. My goal? To capture that soul in this build. From the coup de burst to the Jane cannon, this ship is a beast. The blueprint is set. Now, we build. Did you know Frankie designed the lion to look like a sun? But everyone else thinks it's a sunflower? I'm making sure this one shines. The original Sunny has 6 channels in its dock system. For this wooden tribute, I'm focusing on the symmetry that makes it unsinkable. I've added these traditional old-style waves at the base. It's a nod to the Wano aesthetic and the rough seas the straw hats have conquered. Can you see the detail in the wood grain? Long journey ahead. If you love one piece or woodworking, stay tuned for the next phase.